will give a peraj.
First, CJ, our Minister for Economic Monitoring, the Chief Administrative Officer for Agabo District, the District Police Commander, the District Internal Security Officer, Sub-County Councillors, the District Education Officer. Maybe I'll take this time to have them come and tell us their name. The District Engineer, the DEO, the Minister of Education. Tell us your name and tell the community your contribution in the implementation of this project. You can do it from there. Engineer, your name and tell them what you are going to do to make sure that the project is implemented as planned.
I want to assure the members of the community that I'm willing to support in the construction of this project, to see the supervision to construct on this project. Thank you.
So my name is Ariemo Esther Okelo. I'm the District Education Officer. I oversee the education system in the district. I try to forward what is not going well in education, and I try also to promote good things to be happening in education system. I'm happy for you to be in Agago to put for us the education system where you are constructing tertiary institution and education, secondary education. We have gaps in skill development. We have gaps. We are very, very happy. For us, we take students to university, but very few of them go to university. Most of them remain. So where do they go? They should be going to the tertiary institution. We are very happy for your coming. Thank you. The community members around. I'm by the name Anna Grace Apio, the district councillor representing people of Agago Town Council, Secretary Education and Community-Based Services. Basically, our role as politicians is to do political mobilization in respect to all government programs, whether it being health, education, but as per now, what is important is the education sector, for which I'm very grateful, as my DO made mention. We lack really tertiary institutions. As she mentioned, we have the private one in Adilang and one in Kalao, of which this one is going to increase numbers of learners in our district. Donors, we are really happy for that. The move that you have been taking for the last 2 years, we have been moving here and we are ready to really accept this project and embrace it. We are very happy about it, just waiting for the day of commissioning and launch. Hopefully, I think everything is going to work on well with God's protection. Thank you so much. My speech is still ends here. Thank you.
And your entourage or minister, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Muonge Abdulur, the accounting officer of Agago District of Government. I'm so happy that you are here. And I just want to offer assurance to you that all of the projects, as the chief implementer of government programs in the district, I'm also ready to say that the project is implemented effectively in the district. And as we have heard from my team, we have also, I want to assure you that government promotes government-private partnership. So if you are coming in, you are augmenting your government program in the district, so we are also ready to receive it and ensure that the community receives that amount. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you. Upon the DPC, kindly tell people your name, your still name. Man, a DPC, Majan Bala duty police will know. Then and also your number. Leave for them your telephone number so that in case.
By the names of as Superintendent of Police, Kokole Umar. I'm the DPC Agago. And I'm so happy to be part of this arrangement, and also thank the donors for coming and bring development to Agago district. May God bless you.
Thank you.
Chairman has told me to give you my contact, which is actually very, very important, because in as far as security is concerned, if you don't have the number of the DPs, then there's a problem. So my contact is, for those who have phones or pens to write down my name, my contact is 0775 080195. 775-080195. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Pande. Yes, Pande Gisu. Thank you also to introduce yourself to the village community.
Thank you, Chair. Chief Guest, Chief Justice, the donors, our guests. I'm Pande Kapo, the District Internal Security Officer. Sir CJ, donors can assure you that the district is secure and we welcome all visitors. Thank you.
Thank you. I've been a captain from the United States of America. We are just repeating what you have been told several times. You have read it in the media. You have been following the history of Uganda, the story of Uganda. So I'm going to tell you what you know very well. But normally when they repeat something, it means it's very, very important. What you are doing is in line with government program. You all know we went through a very turbulent period, and government has put in place mechanism of facilitating the recovery program. So what we are doing fits into the government program of rehabilitating, building the capacity of the people to make them become more resilient and cope up with the changes in society. And intervention in education, investment in education is investment in children. And investment in children is investment for tomorrow. So the one who makes tomorrow become hopeful is a friend indeed, and indeed you are a friend indeed. Regionally, government has instituted a program. Centers have been created where young ones who are not able to go with their formal education also go and acquire skills, various skills. We are now shifting from subsistence agriculture to commercial agriculture to increase people's income level. And the best way of doing that is value addition. So skilling program is actually building the skills of the youth to feed into the value addition activities. We are going to have carpenters, we are going to have electricians, we are going to have builders who will support the industries that will be put in place to add value to the produce from the community. So what we are doing is much more important than you think. And I pray that God should help you, help us, so that we implement this project. We shall do everything to make sure that we put in place mechanism for sustainability. Like the Minister of Education said, we'll mobilize the people and make sure that the facilities that will have been created at the end of the project implementation are put to good use. So I'll mobilize people to make sure that the children who are not able to proceed with their education should concentrate here, because what is important is your ability to earn decent and clean income. Whether as a university professor or an electrician or a mason is not important, but there should be income in the family. And the number of people who will acquire skills and means of making ends meet from this institution is much more than the people who go to universities to get diploma, masters and PhD. So I just want to thank you and continue praying for everybody who is directly or indirectly contributed in various ways to make sure that this project is implemented. Thank you so much. Tanda agonya wani apo yan matek. Awaje ka mi no gin wan po bud nyana nera. Gino bi koin lo tin wa. Ma pero chera kwan ka po pien gina pera tek. ene pe kartaj men ma iti kere ento kartaj mi ti kene romo konyi mi nungu chente mo me konyo family ni mi konyo mari mi konyo nero so ginde dir ka kero do ti no bi kwano gin no gin tim ba leng twi gin yo yo gin ke jo ja ti gerni chi wi lo cho kar mo ko ando ti be ri adwa ma ro konyo min ki mari tiang be chul school fees ki so gina jo na pier tek mada ma lo ko kana mo donge ka gino chero ko wan bu be pin un ja kong wan jo porot me lua ginari do ngo goeng kakare ki tiek lok mo ne du tie el mo ba yitie la kong ki bit pin tiek lok wa mer pa ka wel mo ne mo pin pra kwa kong ngo wel wa tiek pa pin pier wan po mata
now invite the minister.
so the lead minister and I welcome you to talk to this expectant community and also our